How to deal with an annoying younger sibling. Do you sometimes wish you were an only child? Yeah, so does your irritating little brother or sister. You will need imagination, self-control, and a little kindness. Step 1. Figure out exactly what your little brother or sister does that annoys you, then come up with a plan. If your sibling always messes with your stuff, ask your parents if you can keep your bedroom door locked when you're out. Don't be mean. Your younger sibling looks up to you, so set a good example, even if you feel like yelling. Step 2. Try ignoring the little pest. Many times, younger siblings do annoying things for attention. If you ignore the bad behavior enough, he'll eventually give up. Ignoring doesn't mean putting your hands over your ears and yelling, "La la 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 la, I can't hear you!" Remember, negative attention is still attention. Step 3. Make a deal. Say something like, "If you give me some space while my friends are here, we can play your favorite board game after they leave." If your sibling is pestering you out of boredom, try suggesting a fun solo project, like asking him to draw you some pictures. Step 4. If all your little bro or sis is really guilty of is wanting to play with you, give in once in a while. It will mean more than you think. Step 5. When all else fails, get help from mom or dad. Don't tattle, just ask for a suggestion on how to get the little twerp out of your hair for a while. Did you know? From 1986 to 2006, the number of American families with only one child doubled.